I'm elated and joyful to share with you this 24 hours garden transformation. It's a very incomplete but complete garden transformation of my parents' garden. If you check out my stories, you would see how the garden looked prior, and we kind of cleared it out, removed all the tiles that was needed before we started the transformation. So on the day, we started by raking the floor and leveling it. So John pre-made the raised beds at home and painted them with a paint gifted by little Greene. That paint was so good. It just went on really easily and had good coverage, and we used it also to make an outdoor mirror. Right, do you know what? It was a labor of love to do everything that we could in one day, and this couldn't have been possible without an A1 team. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who made this happen. You know, it was tiring, but we were so determined to see the end result, and we just kept going, finding every courage and strength and determination to see this through. So we power washed the floors, let it dry, and put one coat of paint, and that's where, to be honest, that's where we stopped. We need to come back and actually complete that and other niggly bits, but we did this all in less than 24 hours.
It's so amazing and surprising, because I used to think that this is a very small garden, but you've turned it and make it to be a big farming area. It's just so amazing. God helping us, we are going to have massive produce from this farm, and it will be called Hilton Produce. The only thing that is left now, I think we have to create a section where we can farm like chicken, so that the farm will be complete.